Howdy guys, got my first little package in the mail today, so we're gonna check it out. It's from HIPA. You guys have been seeing, they've been sending some of the other saw guys some stuff, so they contacted me and asked if I wanted to do some T&E for them. So I was like, sure, why not? Could always use some more tools to play with. I went ahead and requested their specialty carb tuning screwdriver kit. Looks like we also got some pipe cleaners and the carb pick tools, clean out your jets and all that stuff. I've bought a couple of these before in the past. They work good. They work really good. For a cheesy little part, they do what they need to do. I also requested that they send me the option that comes with the somewhat wireless two-stroke tack. It comes with a little wire, and correct me if I'm wrong, guys, because in the past, like I have the same one except it's blue. This wire kind of goes through this little groove in the bottom. I think it could go through the holes too. I think it's the groove in the bottom though. It makes the most sense. However you end up doing it, kind of boom, suck that down into there like so. And then you take this wire, and again, you could suck it all the way down this way. Say you do it like that, so you don't have, this long tail edge. And then you can mount this however you want on your saw, usually on the handlebar, near the brake band. And then you take this little wire and you kind of, I figure you kind of feed it around the spark plug, or like kind of wrap it around the spark plug boot a little bit, because that's where you want to hold the tack usually, is kind of near that spark plug, and that's how you're going to get a good reading on it. Again, this is just my intuition. The first time I tried one of these tacks, didn't really look up what I was supposed to do, but that has worked for me in the past, so we'll test that out. That's cool. And again, the main attraction is all these different carb tuning specialty screwdrivers. And I just signed on to do all the maintenance for all the small engine and equipment maintenance for a tree service. It's what I've done working for shops and stuff as well. And so there's a few of these that I didn't have that I encounter sometimes, especially the round splined one, like this one here. I know that's bass backwards for you guys, but that one's valuable. Some of the other ones, they've got the Pac-Man, hexagonal shaped, single D, another splined, different size. They've got kind of like this real small flathead screwdriver shape, double D shaped, single D again, all different sizes, guys. 6-star, kind of like a Torx bit, and the Pac-Man. So I will show you guys here. Let's do this. So yeah, we're gonna be testing those out, seeing how they work. I'm sure they're gonna work great. But I definitely needed these, so whenever I do any carb tuning with one of these in particular, I'll be filming it and letting you guys know what I think. So all right, wanted to go ahead and thank HIPA for sending me my first package. I'll get to work testing and seeing how these tools work, and get you guys some feedback. Thank you guys a lot. I also wanted to say thanks for, we passed over 230 subscribers now, which is awesome. Like I said, I'm still surprised even 10 of you guys watch my videos. It's awesome. Let's just keep building this channel, guys. I just want to keep showing you guys some cool stuff, maybe teaching you a thing or two along the way. It's just fun. And I'll be shooting a separate video here shortly, but also wanted to give a little shout out to Indiana Doug. I think the challenge that you posted a video about the other day is super cool for men's mental health. Yeah, Lord knows I've dealt with my own issues with mental health, and so it's something that needs to be talked about more. And you know, we all gotta be here for each other sometimes. You know, we all might like to act all macho and this and that, but shit, life's hard, and it's even harder if you don't have any good friends that are watching your back, or are constantly looking for reasons to be mad at you. Yeah, or just get super butthurt for no reason. You know who you are. It is what it is. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna go build another Neotech kit. It's actually a beautiful day. It's one of those days that's got like super bright and shiny, pouring down rain, bright and shiny, pouring down rain. It's been crazy. But yeah, thanks again, guys, and we'll see you soon.